everybody. I'm sorry I'm late at bringing this video up, but I was out of town yesterday and I didn't get a chance to do it any other day. But today we're going to attempt to make a shaker card. I've done a few, but I'm still new at it, so bear with me, please. I have started my shaker card for today. I've made the base already, and I've put an extra piece of paper in here so it can show this on the outside, which is going to be my interpretation of water. I'm going to use this and this. Now, I had a lighthouse, but it was the small metal one, and this one is a lot bigger, so I'm going to use it. How I made this circle, I used this circle here to make it. Now this is the third largest circle in my Spellbinders standard large circle set, which I've had forever. So I used the smallest one, the third one, in. Now the second one I removed to create my layer to go on the outside of my window. So it's got sticky on it, so I won't put it all the way down, but it's right here, and this is how I made it. I put those two together and ran it through my Big Shot. It's warped, and if anybody knows how to remove the warp out of circle dies, please let me know. So we're going to put this together. I've had this, which are circles, but I've never used it out of a set that I had. I've never used it, so I'm using the outer one, and going to put it together now. I haven't opened it up because it's got sticky all over it. So I'm going to see if this will go on my layer, on my circle, and make a layer out of it. If I can get it even all around. Okay, seemed to work. The next thing I'm going to do, let me put these aside because I've already used them, is I'm going to remove the outside layer of this. Make sure I got this even, and not so it won't be exposed too much on the outside. Okay, I'm going to take the layer off, and that will expose the sticky. I'm going to add these in here. I've had this in my stash, and I chose these two colors to sort of go with the ones I have as my layer and my base. I'm also going to add some of these, which I've had in my stash, and they want to go all over the place. Okay, I think that's enough. Now on the back of that, I'm going to find another piece of acetate to go over it to hold it in so I can turn it upside down. But I'm going to not let you wait on me while I find the acetate. I'll be right back. Okay, I've run my acetate through, and it was extremely hard to cut. I had to wind up using the scissors. But I'm going to place it on this, and hopefully it'll fit. It's not quite big enough. So I may have a problem here. Or I have it over here too much. Oh. See if I can salvage this. Uh-oh. Hold on one second. Let me revamp this. Be right back. I think it should be all right. Once I turn it over and it adheres to the base here, it should be all right. So let's continue on. And that should seal it on the base this way. Okay. I'm going to add this a piece I have from a kit that I had from Stampin' Up. I doubled it so it'll be not thin. And I also doubled the anchor. I'm going to place it on here like that. So I'm going to use some tape and place it up here. And the same with the anchor. Okay. Now, I have this circle that I also got from the same kit, and I'm going to add on there happy birthday, and I'll place it right here. It looks like waves, so that's why I'm using it. And I'm going to use Night of Navy by Stampin' Up. And try to get it on here straight. Okay. Now I'm going to place this right here. Right along here. Okay. And that's the front of it. And now just put a piece of white paper inside so you can write on. And that's my shaker. Let me know suggestions that you may have for me in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.